Hello. Well, the Super Bowl's coming up, so I thought I would grab a model that was somewhat appropriate. So we've got this little American football going on here. And when I was reviewing some of my students' work, a student proposed an interesting problem. This student was trying to drive a plane using an equation. Now, I would usually drive planes with geometry, but this did seem intriguing. So what I did is I looked at the problem and I found out that SolidWorks has a little bit of a quirky way of the property manager dialog boxes, and I'll explain that. And then it does have a workaround. So what we're going to do is first set up the problem. And this student was looking to generate a plane out on the some distance off of center using an equation so that it automatically updated. And like I said, I would normally run that with geometry, but the student wanted to use an equation. So I went down this rabbit hole. So what we're trying to do in this case is we want to set a plane out on the end of the football. And to do that, we would normally just offset a distance here, but let's use the equation method and we'll take a look at the revolve. So this football is 11 1/8 inches wide, and this is D2 at sketch 1. So we're going to go copy. And then to generate a plane, there's a shortcut that you may know, but you can control drag any existing plane and it opens a new plane. And with that, we'd like to set the distance equal to, we'll put it in quotes, D2 at sketch 1 divided by 2. And SolidWorks does not correctly interpret this. It's looking for a number. So what I found is that in the dialog box here, SolidWorks is looking for numeric input only. So I'm going to set that to some random value right now. We'll click OK. The next thing is you can edit feature dimensions both through the property manager or on the screen. So the workaround is this. It's kind of interesting. We're going to double click or click on the plane. And then if I edit the value on the screen, I get a little more flexibility. Now, the Instant 2D is going to play an interesting part in this, but if you can double click and get to the large dialog box, you can enter any equations into the large dialog box. So we're going to say it's equal to, and I have to put it in quotes, we're going to say divided by 2. And we can rebuild if you want, puts it out on the end, we'll click the OK button. Now the trick is going to be to see if it updates. So we'll edit this original sketch, and we'll make this 12 inches. And now if I look to see if that plane updated, numerically I can see that it did update to 6, and we can see that it is right out on the edge of the football. We can update that once again. Let's see if we can shorten that to 10 inches without my model breaking. And when we look at the plane again has updated and is out there at 5 inches. So you can drive a plane with an equation. You just have to do it from the numeric input on the screen. Thanks, and may the best team win.